Hey guys, Rich here at RCINFORMER, here at SEFF 2019. Mike and Billy are out here flying around, and some Horizon guys look like they're going to fly an FMS BAE Hawk here. And Mike's up here with his A-10. Let's see if I can shoot a little video of that. Coming around slow. There he goes. All right. Some of the Horizon guys here on the BAE Hawk. He's taking off. Looks good. Let me know when you're landed, Mike. There's the Hawk. And let's see, I got Mike on the A-10 right there. I got you. All right, good. All right, I'm on you, Mike. All right. A little overcast today. It's Friday. There we go. It's flying nice, huh, Mike? Yeah.
Pretty good. About a year.
Yeah, I just flew mine today the first time, like a day or two ago, actually. All right. Yeah. All right, back onto the planes. All right, I got you. There he is. Coming down low and fast. Lower. There's the Hawk. I got the Hawk and the A-10 both in there. Yeah. All right, I got you, Mike. Outstanding. There went the Hawk. Everybody's having a good time here. Jeez, Mike. Right.
Alright, we're gonna do a gear pass.
All right. Gear pass. Isn't that great having a gray airplane? Yeah.
Alright, we're landing on this one.
Landing on 4. Landing.
That's number 2 for landing.
Nice, Mike. Good save. Good save.
All right, Seth. Let me get a point of clarification real quick. On the 3D flying, that'll be from the top of the hour till 10:30, or to the 30 at the bottom. You're welcome to fly anything else at your own risk.
Yeah.
So it's open for open flying for the entire hour, but we're just going to limit any 3D flying out on the line to the top 30 of the hour. So then the bottom 30 will be nothing but the continual scale flyers. So just want to make that point of clarification.
I was gonna say, you guys might be about there on the battery.
Yeah.
You guys have been whizzing by pretty quick. I'm filming you there. It feels pretty solid, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
I got the AS3X on this one. It's
Oh, you do?
really solid.
Yeah, it's
Landing right to left.
landing BAE Hawk. That's all right. That's good. It's 3-point, man. All right, man, give me your thoughts. What do you think?
That's the BAE Hawk from FMS. That's the second flight on that model.
Okay.
And I've got 2 clicks of up trim and about 10 clicks of right aileron.
Right.
Track solid. We've got the AR-636 V-Stec receiver in it.
Okay.
The AS3X.
Okay.
Flies great. Thing tracks like a bullet. If you want a jet, if you're on the edge about getting from a fixed wing, just a regular aircraft to a jet, it's a good first model. It's very stable.
Yeah, see, I don't even run a gyro in mine, and it's rock solid. I mean, it's I think that's probably one of the best scale jets, that and the A10 that FMS makes.
I agree.
And probably almost anybody makes, foam-wise anyway. I mean, it's awesome.
And then just look at it.
Yeah.
My goodness, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty
right
sweet.
Out of the box, this is the way it comes. You pull it out, put the wings on it, put the tail feathers on it.
Yeah.
Bind it and fly it.
Yeah,
Great model. FMS killed this one.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. All right, hey man, thanks for the comments. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Rick.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to RC Informer coming to SEFF. Got a plane behind you there. He's coming in. There's planes everywhere. All right, guys, quick view of the line here. Again, everybody's flying. There's our tent right there. And everybody's going crazy. They're doing some float flying down there. I'll zoom in on there a little bit. There's a mall. I guess that's an E-Flight mall from Horizon. And real nice plane, guys, overall. So try and get some more videos here little by little as I get some things shot. Noontime demo is coming up. And looks like they're, I don't know if they're taking up another Hawk or what, but yeah, that's the JetWorks guy. He's taking up another Hawk too. Let me walk over there real quick. Let's see here. Taking that Hawk up? I'm gonna
Close, man. Maybe take it out of you.
I'm gonna shoot some video of you if that's cool.
That's no problem.
Yeah, we've been flying. We flew 3 of these together in a group, so if I can shoot a little more video of it, that would be cool. So there we go. Good timing, good timing. I was just shooting the other guys flying theirs too. Man, that's a nice jet.
I'm going to pull into a vertical chase at the end of the runway. And I'm going to come back.
Right, nice.
Come back over to stop
Outstanding.
opposite direction. Point roll up to the right.
Right. Yeah, that looks good.
All right, Seth. We're going to be making the drawing here in about 3 minutes, the 11 o'clock drawing for the raffle. So listen up for your numbers, or you can be up here at Show Central, either one. Don't forget that we got Katie's Soul Food over here. She's got fried chicken. Where'd my list go?
Hawk landing
Got
from the
fried
right.
chicken, barbecue ribs, pulled pork barbecue, dressing,
Looks
collard
good.
greens, baked beans, green beans, slaw, beef cobbler, apple cobbler, steak, sausage dogs, hamburgers, fries, tea, and lemonade. That's Katie's Soul Food over here underneath the pavilion.
Got your gear down right at the last second, eh?
That's it. Go.
All right, cool.
RC JetWorks batteries, baby.
RC JetWorks batteries, yeah, excellent, outstanding. Bringing it back. He's taxiing on back. Let's see here.
Back taxiing Chase on the inside here. Take it further out, Chase. There you go. You're good. Okay.
Someone's going by with the Tiger Cat. Looks like the FMS Tiger Cat. Oh, we got all the FMS stuff out here. It's a good time to shoot video. All right, nice job, man. That looked fantastic.
It's fun, man.
Excellent. Awesome. 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 There's a Tiger Cat with some sound in it. Outstanding. Oh, wow. You got that all painted up and everything, huh? What sound system you got in there?
It's a ESS sound system version 2.
Okay, I'm gonna try not to get hit here. Cool, looks nice, man. That's my favorite airplane.
Well, thank you. I love it too.
Yeah.
Real flyer.
Outstanding. Yeah, that's did you do any wheel change? Oh, you just painted the gear and the wheels. Okay, cool. I got you. You painted it to be scale. All right, excellent.
Yep.
Outstanding. Man, that looks great.
Well, thank you.
I got my bag kitty over there too. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, maybe we could do a Tiger Cat formation.
Yeah. What's your name?
Chase.
Chase. Yeah, Rich.
Nice
How's it going?
Rich.
And
Nice to meet you, Rich.
you are?
Pig crew here.
Pete? Hey, good to meet you guys. Looks nice. Nice job flying. Nice job flying. All right, guys. Rich at RC Informer here at the SEFF 2019 flight line, just filming some airplanes for everybody to see. And if you come, stop by the tent. Stop by FMS and RC Informer, and you can see we got all our planes set up there. And get away from the speaker because it's making too much noise. All right, guys. Thanks for watching RC Informer, and we'll see you at SEFF 2019.